Hi everyone and welcome to my Kriya channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the Indian National Anthem, the Jana Gana Mana, on the soprano recorder. I hope you are excited because I'm super excited. And before we start with the playing, we need to obviously know the notes. So let's get started with the notes, and I've also given you a fingering chart for your reference so that you can look at it in case you have any doubts with the fingering. The first note is the lower C, which is also called as the middle C. That's how it sounds. Then we move on to D. Remove this finger. Then you have E. Then you have F. So then I have G, A, and then I have B, and then I will also have higher C. Okay, yeah, does this tune kind of sound a little familiar? Let me play that once for you. Yeah, you guessed it right. They are the notes of the C major scale. That's the Do, Re, Mi, Fa. And we've already done a video on that. If you want to go back to that, please check out my previous video on the introduction to the recorder. So I'm going to be playing the notes really slowly for the song, and you are going to follow my fingering. Okay, let's start. So once you're able to play this now along with me, practice this at home again very slowly all the time. Keep practicing it until you gain speed. And once you gain speed, you can play it as quick as you want to. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned the national anthem by now. And for any other requests that you have, if you have any songs particularly that you would like me to teach you on our channel, please drop me a comment below and I will surely work on it. Thanks so much for watching. Happy learning. Bye.